Hello everyone, welcome to Loha Talk, and in this video I will discuss about abstract factory design pattern. And if you guys haven't watched my previous video on factory design pattern, then I will request you guys please watch that video before continuing this video. So what is abstract design pattern? So in abstract design pattern we provide an interface for creating families of related or dependent object without specifying their concrete classes. So I'm using the previous example which I have used in factory pattern. So in that pattern we were changing the class using this vehicle class property. So we are not going to do it in this abstract factory design pattern, and here we will register all those classes which may user need in future. So I'm going to continue with this example only. So instead of this vehicle factory, I'm going to declare another function. I will call it as var abstract vehicle factory, and it will be anonymous function which called immediately. So I will use this one. Inside that I will write a function and it gets called immediately. So here I will declare one type variable, and it store the different classes we have, and it will return an object which have a get vehicle method, and it has parameter type and options. So now first we need to take the vehicle class. So from this type variable, so I'll declare vehicle equal to types type. So it's going to give us the class which we already registered, and if this class is exist, then return new vehicle with the option. Okay, else we are going to throw an error and call it as invalid vehicle. Okay, now we'll declare one more method, register vehicle, and function, and it's going to take type and the class. Okay, comma. So what it's going to do, it's going to set types object with the type we have passed equal to that class name. Okay, and we can return the entire abstract vehicle factory over to for future use. Okay, so we are done with the abstract vehicle factory function. Now what we are going to do, we are going to register the classes we already have. So abstract vehicle factory dot register vehicle, and we going to name it as a car, and we will pass the car class over here, and the same thing I'm going to do for truck. So truck, and here will be truck class. Okay, so now we don't need this object, and we are going to use this function only. I'm just going to copy here, and I will provide the type of the class. So for this object we use car, and the same thing I'm going to use here also, and here we don't need to switch, so I'm just going to delete this line also, and here we will pass truck, and I'm going to save it. Yeah, so we are still getting the same result, but here we don't need to concern about switching between the car and truck. So we already registered the classes we are going to use in future. So yeah, this is all about the abstract factory design pattern. So if you guys have any doubt, please comment below, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.